guys, you guys are back with Biramado. My name is Matusha and today I'm back with another video for you guys. This video is going to be kind of different compared to what you guys usually see on my channel. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So this hair tutorial involves no heat, just product application. So this is actually a hack that I saw from Kaisha MUA on Instagram. So it's basically transforming your natural hair into more curl defined hair, and all you're using is products rather than heat. So let's get started. I'm gonna be using a hair mask because the first step is to condition your hair. So I'm gonna be using my ultimate favorite, Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys saw a tutorial of me using this hair mask. It has a lot of benefits and it smells so freaking good. It smells like so magical, so good. So now that you guys have a background about this product, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto my hair. So this is what it looks like. So what you want to do actually before starting off is section out your hair so that the mask goes onto every section of your hair. I'm gonna go into the mask like this, and then I'm gonna start off with this side. So I'm gonna just start off like that. I'm gonna take more product. Whoa, how did I get it all there? So you guys can see all of this has a mask in it. So that's completed. I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna put a bit more. So both of these sides have the mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo the top section. So we got another 2 sections here. So I'm gonna actually split it again in half so I make sure that I get all these sections. So this section is completed as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead to the next one. So all the section is complete this half. So you just want to run your fingers through it during the application so it goes on to every section of your hair. And also make sure to go over the tips like this. So now that I'm done applying it, I'm just gonna brush it through so that it goes everywhere. Do the same thing to the other side. So now that it's a brush, I'm gonna go ahead and do a low bun in the back. So here I have a low bun. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the timer for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start it. So while this goes, I'm probably going to be listening to music. I'm not gonna wait on the camera because that's just boring for you guys. So I'm just going to listen to some music. And once the 10 minutes are over, I'm gonna come back to you guys. So be right back, guys. So the 10 minutes has passed, and now what I'm gonna do next is actually go take a shower so that I can go on to the next procedure of this process. So I'll be right back. So now that I'm back after taking a shower, I'm gonna go to the next product, which is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing a Curl Activator cream. So this is what Kaisha MUA used under her Instagram video, so that's what I will be using. This product actually cost me around $14.95 Canadian dollars, so it's actually worth it. It's pretty okay for the price. Realistically speaking, if I just saw the product, I wouldn't buy it, but since I saw results, I purchased it to try it out. So now that you guys could see it as well. So here's my hair, guys. Oh my god, I look like a spider or something. I don't know why I'm feeling spider vibes. So for this part of the process, I'm gonna have my hair facing downwards like this. And then I'm gonna take some product and then I'm gonna rub it in between my hands so you see that I have product on all my fingers now. So that you take this product and then you put it onto the hair upwards. So it's like putting mousse, you like scrunch it up. So let me just set up a bit for you guys. So I'm just gonna go this way. So as simple as that. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh, it smells so good. It's made like with shea butter. Oh my god, it smells super, super, super good. To go all the way until your roots, the more defined your curls will be. I'm gonna take more product. And rub it into my hands again. And then I'm gonna focus on more higher curls. I don't know what it'll look like to you guys, but this hair looks lit, guys, lit. I love how curly and defined it looks so far. So now that I apply the cream, I'm just gonna let it air dry just the way Keisha Miwei did. And I'm gonna see how this dries up. And hopefully we got some good results. Like already, like seeing it wet, it looks really nice. And I know my hair is gonna get more voluminous once it's air dried. So I'll keep you guys posted. So in the meantime, I'll just chill around here and put some clips of me just waiting for it to air dry. So I'm out here promoting Krispy Kreme donuts. So I'm gonna eat this one. I don't know why. I like this yellow one. It matches with my outfit, I guess. So this is one of my favorite ones. It's like, it tastes like a birthday cake. Like I'm reviewing a donut for you guys. There's a cream inside, so, so good. So you guys can actually see a bit of process. It's not completely dried yet, but it is going towards that path. And yeah, it looks really nice and wavy. Can't wait for it to actually really dry, because I want to see the voluminous effect. So let's keep on waiting. So I really like the results of the product, and I love how wavy my hair looks. It's like super wavy. And like there's like curls going on here, and like I like how effortless this is. You literally take the product and apply it right after taking a shower, and bam, you just have this once it's air dried. I'm not sure if it would give the same results if you actually blow dry it, but I like the fact that air drying it has a no heat, so this is a heatless tutorial. And finally, to finish off this hair tutorial, I'm gonna be using the Cam2 Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Oil Shine and Hold Mist. So this is just to hold the curls so that it lasts the whole day. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, it smells good. I'm just gonna So the price of this product is approximately 16 Canadian dollars. So it's not bad. So both products together is about like $40. No, did I do math wrong? Yes, I did. That is around $30 without tax. So these are the two products I bought for this tutorial. And for the Coco and Eve hair mask, it's $64 USD. It's actually pretty expensive. 64 USD for one, but if you buy two, it's like $94. So it's like you save more and you get a tangle teaser. Tangle teaser, if that's the word. It's definitely worth it, but any conditioning mask works the same. It's just that this one, personally, I'm in love with it. Like, it's really moisturizing, hydrating, makes your hair look really healthy and gives it a shine. So I really like this conditioner. This is like my ultimate favorite conditioner, so that's why I use this for this video. So yeah, so this is my hair. I'm in love with it. Let me show you guys a different angle in the sun. So this is what my hair looks like in the sun. It's definitely wavy and gives a curly effect, no heat, and just bam, product, and that's all you need. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to click the subscribe button so you guys stay tuned with my future videos. And finally, if you guys have any other recommendations to get the same results using other products or methods, please list them down below in the comments, and also do let me know if you're going to try this tutorial out. I'd love to know. So I'll see you guys in my next one. So bye guys!